These are the 5 configuration steps that we have completed yesterday, and we have a document also. For each and every configuration step, there is a document that we have already prepared. We'll share you that document to you. So next one, now I have to go to SAP. This is SAP screen. Whatever I wanted to do in SAP, I have to log into our SAP system. So you'll be getting the system, how to log in, what is the server, everything you will be getting in your drive. You can just download it, and I have clearly intimated how to download, how to install, how to open your SAP, and once you open, what are the basic settings also I have told you over there. Now go to ECC, go to the user, password. Let's go to, we have to go to configurations first. Configurations are nothing but settings. So when we want to use SAP, first we have to do configurations. Configurations can be done in tools, customizing, IMG, SPRO. This is the place where we can do the configurations. Double click on SPRO, IMG. Like this you can come, or I'll go back. Directly, I can enter SPRO in this transaction code bar. So SPRO stands for SAP Project Reference Object. SAP Project Reference Object. I'll just click this. I'll go to IMG, and here we have to do the configurations. So we are in enterprise structure. Under enterprise structure, we are in definition. Under definition, financial accounting. So here, company we have completed, company code we have completed, credit control area, business area, FM area we have completed yesterday. And today we are going to start with define segment. Sixth one, segment. Now coming to the segment, I'll go to additional information display key document. This will help us to get the transaction code. Transaction code means this is the standard codes for each and every this is a transaction, and this is the transaction code. So it's like a shortcut, just like how I have entered SPRO. In the same way, we can even enter this transaction code. I'll show you later. But for segment, SAP has not given any transaction code. You have to go with the path only. You have to go with path means, so you have to come to IMG, select this, and now you have to execute. Click on execute button. Okay, click on execute button. Now, well, give me a second. I'll go back actually. I'll try to explain you what is segments, then I'll try to configure. So segments, we have to go with SPRO only. Okay. Segments are used for reporting purpose. I told business areas is used for reporting purpose. Business areas is used for reporting purpose. Segments are also used for reporting purpose. Each place wise, branch wise, if you want to see the report, you can go and see it business area wise. But I want to see the report at brand level, highest reporting level. So in Britannia Industries, so we can take this as a brands. This can be taken as a segments. This can be taken as a segments. What they are using. These are all the brands for them. In SAP, this has been this level of higher reporting. They have given it as segments. So for Britannia Industries, these are the segments. I'll take one more example. Tata Motors. For Tata Motors, this can be the segments. For Tata Motors, this can be the segments like commercial vehicles, passenger vehicles, electrical vehicles, luxury vehicles. So the highest level of reporting is called a segments in SAP. Okay. So what I can do here, segments are used for reporting purpose. Highest level reporting can be created as segments. Example like brand, okay, or product group, etc. So highest level, whatever you feel the highest level, you can create them. So you no need to bother. In real time, one person cannot decide what should be the segments, what should be the business area. We will sit with business, we'll sit with Britannia Industries employees, we will decide. So we'll have 1 month, 2 months time to understand about the business process and what should to prepare a document like what should be the segment, what should be the company code, all these things we are going to discuss with the business and we are going to do. Right now, as based on my experiences, I am doing an assumption and I am creating here. With a realistic assumption only we are doing and we are creating. So segments are like brands, but in our case, I can create biscuit is one segment, dairy is one segment, snacking is one segment, cake is one segment. Under this, these are the products. Under this, these are all the products. Okay, fine. Now let us go to segment. I'll try to execute new entries. B or 76 is our company code. This is the code that we created yesterday. This is the primary code. Okay. So for representing Britannia Industries, this is the code we have created, and underscore biscuits division BR76 underscore cake segment BR76 underscore dairy segments. Like this we can create our own. After 1 year, Britannia Industries is starting ice cream business. So come back and create it once again. Come back and create it once again. Okay. So this is how we are doing our configurations. Let me save. The length SAP has given for segment is 10 digits, not beyond 10 digits. Up to 10 digits, whatever you want, you can use it. Cancel, go back, go back. Oh, sorry. Okay. We have completed segments also today. So in interview, if I ask you like what is segments, you should be able to say that segments are used for reporting purpose. If I ask you what is business area is used for reporting purpose. If I ask you what is company code is a legal entity. If I ask you like what is company is a group. So what is FM area? It is used for budgeting. What is credit control area? It is used for controlling the credit limit. So whatever the theoretical part that I am explaining here and whatever I am writing, if you understand this and if you answer in your own language, it's enough for interview. I'm saying you, it is enough for interview. You no need to tell one paragraph for company code. Nobody will accept. If you say one paragraph, they will think that you have bookish knowledge. So this SAP FICO is not for any qualification. This is for our job. SAP is for our job. So we should have practical knowledge and we should know why we are using SAP functionalities. Okay. So if you understand this, more than enough. And apart from this, I can give you additional questions also. That's different part. Okay. Now coming to the segments, execute. Oh, segments is done, boss. Sorry. I'll go back. Now definition under enterprise structure, definition we have completed. We are working for only financial accounting. Purchase people, they will work under logistics and materials management. Sales people, they will work under sales and distribution and logistics execution. So HR people, they will work here. So depends upon the other department consultants, they will be working in the SAP as well. Now I will go to assignment. This is the assignment. Financial accounting. Assign company code to company. Give me 1 second. BR76 underscore BIS. So whatever I'm creating in SAP, that I'm just storing here, just for future reference. Okay. I recommend you also to follow the same thing. Okay. And seventh one, assign company code to company. OX16 is the transaction code. OX16. OX16. Execute. What I'm telling here, assignment. So we already created company code as BR76. We have even created company as Wadia Group WG76. These two codes we have created already. Now we have created company separately. We have created company code also separately. Now we have to do the assignment. If you are not doing assignment, SAP will not understand. Or which company code belongs to which group, SAP will not understand. So let us do the assignment here. Go to position. There are so many company codes. How can we identify our company code? Go to position. BR76 is our company code. Give the company as WG76. So in real time also we will make a document of all the configurations. So we will be knowing what should be created. In case if you don't remember, you can use this search button to identify. You can use this search button also. There's a list you can able to identify with this list. So this type of options going forward we'll see one by one. Not at all a issue. Now save. Go back. Assign company code to company OX16. Next one, company code to credit control area. Assign company code to company. Let me do here BR76 WG76. Whatever we are doing in the system, that we are maintaining in the SAP. Eighth one, assign company code to credit control area. Company code BR76 we have created Britannia Industries. For Britannia Industries, we have even created the credit control area functionality. This one also we have created. Now these two we have to assign. Now what we have to do? These two we have to do the assignment. So how to do the assignment? SAP has given this step and the transaction code. Last four digits is the transaction code. I already told you. Let me tell you. Last four digits will be your transaction code. Okay. 95% this will be same. Few cases no transaction codes and there will be different. I'll show you wherever it is required. So OB38. So BR76 is our company code. Our credit control area is also BR76. Company code to credit control area. Execute. Position. Company code BR76. Credit control area is also BR76. Save. Okay. We are saving in one transport request. That is what we created yesterday. The same T code we have. Transport request you have to use. Okay. Save. Go back. Next, we no need consolidated business area. We need to work on assign company code to financial management area. Ninth one, assign company code to financial management area. OF18. Execute. Go to position. Company code BR76. FM area is also BR76. So this is our company code. This is our FM area. We have already created. Just we are doing the assignment, just like how we have done this. So now we are going to assign this and this. Both are same codes only we have created. So this should be assigned with this. Let me do it in SAP. So just like this, company code, FM area, save. Now go back. Company code BR76. FM area is also BR76. Save is done. So this is how we are doing in SAP. We have completed the assignment part. We have completed the definition part. Finally, we have completed enterprise structure. Enterprise structure configurations we have completed. Now I would like to show you one thing. I am taking the T codes, right? This T codes. Let me remove this. These T codes are standard. What is the purpose of this T code? Suppose if I want to create any company code, I'll go to OX12 directly in I'll go to one more screen. We can open multiple screens here. If I enter the T code in the T code bar, and if I enter directly, it is taking me to that particular step. So again, I no need to go to all these things. Okay, so SAP has given two things. One is with path, one is with T code. So since we understood about the configurations in SAP, these are all the configurations that we understood in SAP. And now I would like to explain you some of the shortcuts. So which frequently we use. So shortcuts will be like, suppose if you are in any screen, if you want to go back to the main screen, /n, press enter. This is one general shortcut we use. /n, main screen. And next shortcut, suppose we need to log in to our SAP system, log off into SAP system. You can go to system, you can go to log off, or you can cancel all the screens, one by one screens. Okay. Or if you want to log off, even though if you are having two screens, If you want to log off, /NEX. This is for log off. That's it. Everything will be logged off. Okay. Now let me log in once again. Let me log in once again. Okay. Now I wanted to open one more session like this. This is one way to open one more session. Up to 6 sessions we can open in SAP. But if you wanted to use shortcut Control N, it will open into a new session. New session will open automatically. Control plus N. New session. And if you want to, suppose we are in company code. I want to open business area directly. So what can I do? I can go to /O, which will help us to open new session, and OX03 plus T code. This will go to new session and also open that particular transaction. /O plus T code, new session plus transaction. In new session, new transaction, it will open. And now you are in this business area. In the same session, I wanted to open other any other step. So shall we take something like, I'll try to open company OX15. From here only I need to open company. /N OX15, press enter. In the same screen itself, it will open new one. /N, if you are adding the T code. Okay. So now here, same session, new transaction. Same session, new transaction. Next one, Control plus C. This is for copy. Control plus V. This is for paste. Control plus Y. This is for selection. Select this copy paste, everybody know because we are using in Excel. Okay. So Control Y. What is Control Y? In Excel sheet, if you want to select anything, you can select like this. But in SAP, if you want to select, I can select only one field. Okay. I cannot select multiple fields here in SAP. Multiple things we cannot select. If you want to select multiple, Control Y. If you want to select multiple, press Control Y from your laptop. Your laptop will change, your mouse will change into plus symbol. Now you drag whatever you want, you can copy. Control C for copy. Control V for paste. You can copy and paste from SAP to Excel sheet with the help of Control Y selection. Okay. So these are the options, boss. And one more small setting I would like to tell you in SAP. I'll close all these sessions. So go to this customize local layout. Here you have quick cut and paste. If you are not selecting this, then manually you have to select you have to copy. Two things you have to do. Select and copy you have to do. If you click this button, if you activate this button, when you select, automatically it will copy. When you select itself, it will copy. So these are the basic shortcuts enough. And we have hundreds of shortcuts. We don't need that. This is the most frequently we use. And one more thing, Control S. We all know Control plus S is for save. Okay. And F3 is for back. Functional key back. If you want to go to the previous screen, F3. This is more than enough for our day-to-day usage in SAP. When you keep on using, you will come and you can understand this. So you no need to worry about this particular shortcuts. When you keep on working, it will come to your mind automatically. Okay, so fine. So this is about the configurations which we have completed in enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. Next thing will be like financial accounting, global settings. Go back. I'll go to SPRO. I'll do it tomorrow. Just I'll show you what we are going to do tomorrow. We have completed enterprise structure. This is completed. Now we are going to the financial accounting. Under financial accounting, financial accounting global settings, we have to start from tomorrow. What is this financial accounting global settings? This is something like when you are doing a financial transactions, we have to specify some of the common configurations, which year you are going to use. Either you are following from January to December or April to March. That we have to tell. And what type of field controls we need to use, and what are the other basic configurations also, like which period you need to do the business. Like we are in August. Do you want to do business only in August, or you wanted to do business in September also? Whether our SAP system should allow you to do August and September or only August. So this type of global parameters, financial accounting global settings, that we are going to see tomorrow. So once we complete these configurations, we can go to the general ledger. So tomorrow our target is to complete this part. Okay. So hope you are clear. Any questions, please let me know. Yeah, I'll give the access. You can unmute.
Uh, Hi, sir. Ganesh here.
Uh, you want to
Hello.
share something?
Yes, sir, I just have one question. Actually, assign company code control area and assign company code financial management area. These both should, for example, Britannia company wants to maintain the credit control for the vendors. So
Yeah.
credit control exactly. No, you getting my point? Hello.
Britannia Industries. See, can you repeat your question once again?
So Britannia industry want to their vendors control will define. Na? Exactly.
Okay.
Means okay. For example, Britannia India says sell what some cookies for the some vendor for the 100 rupees of cookies. Okay, for credit.
Okay.
So that control will be defined here. Exactly.
Okay.
Is it correct or not? I just am asking.
No, basically it's not correct.
Hmm.
So you are asking about this credit control area, right?
No, no. Assign company control. I just not understand properly. So because of that, I am
So
repeating.
which step you are looking? Can tell me the
Uh,
step.
8 and 9 both steps.
8 and 9. Okay,
Yeah.
first let us see about 8.
Yeah.
So we have Britannia Industries here.
Okay.
We have created the credit management, credit functionality.
Okay.
So this functionality I am assigning to the company code. That's it, not for any customers. Customers we are going to see later. Which customer? Suppose in Britannia Industries we have customers like DMart, Walmart, Jepto. Okay. So for these customers, We are maintaining credit limit like for uh, DMart, we can give 5 crores credit limit. For Walmart, we can give 7 crores credit limit. That maintaining the limit we will see later point. Here, the functionalities we are assigning. These two elements we are adding, we are assigning. That means this credit control area, whatever we have created, that is for this Britannia Industries. We are just assigning, that's it. We are not giving any vendor customer here. Vendor and customer later point we'll see in the system.
Okay.
Ganesh, is it
Yes,
clear?
yes, 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 exactly.
Now you are clear, right?
Yeah, clear.
Yeah. Prashant,
And
yes, Prashant, please go on.
Sir, when you are saying a credit limit for you just mentioned that there is going to be a credit limit for vendor or a customer. Okay, so I'm not able to understand like what do you mean by credit limit? I mean, this is something related to money, or this is something related to just like they have a capacity to spend on something, or we are giving them a chance that this is the only limit for 1 crore to set up in a system. So I would like to understand what do you
Yeah,
mean
the
by
last one, what you said. This is
uh,
the limit that we are giving to customer, where up to that limit they can buy from us. Up to that limit we can sell to them. They can buy or we can sell. Both are same only. So up to 1 crore. Suppose I am
mm,
giving limit 1 crore to DMart.
mhm.
We our sales people can sell up to 1 crore. So
Okay.
our sales people can sell up to 1 crore without any cash, without any bank, without any payment.
Mhm.
Okay. So we can the limit we are maintaining it as 1 crore, up to 1 crore, just like your credit card boss.
Yeah,
So
okay.
okay. So they are giving the limit in SAP. Even your credit card also bank is giving limit, right? But
Mm.
here SAP Britannia Industries is giving limit to DMart. Like this is your limit. Why? If I want to do the business in a with all these customers, they will ask us definitely the credit. Sir, could you please give us some credit so we can sell more and we can pay? So if that is the case, we have to work on this kind of scenarios. Got it?
Yeah, got it. So after that, this credit, whatever we bought and whatever we sold in credit, that will get settled later on. That's a later on
Oh,
question, right?
yes, whatever
Okay.
we are selling on credit, after 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, they will pay the money.
Mm-hmm.
Customer will pay the money. Again, your credit limit will be increased. If you
Yes,
pay your credit card bill, again your limit will be increased, right?
correct.
Same way.
Okay, okay. Sir, honestly, I haven't understood this 7, 8, 9. Like what exactly we are doing, what we are assigning over here, because we already set up a company code now. And then what exactly we are doing over here? I mean, what we are assigning now?
Company code you have already created,
Yes.
but the credit control area which we have created, how
Yeah.
this is belongs to this company code, you have to do the assignment.
Mm-hmm.
Would you mind explaining? Can I explain it 1 minute to Prashant?
Yeah, yeah.
So, Prashant, basically, this is a feature. First, one, two, 3 points. I mean, second and third, we have created a feature, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then we have assigned that feature to the company in 789.
Okay.
So
Uh-huh.
the feature is now basically there is no concept of credit card. For suppose if you're taking in your banking aspect, your bank will only show your account number, and when you
Correct.
get a credit card, you will show there will be an option called credit card besides, right? So here we just created a company, that is company code, and then we have given it a credit card feature to it, but we haven't given any limit, we haven't assigned it to your account. The ICICI bank has a feature, but when a customer takes it, they'll assign the eighth point. They'll assign this feature to his app. You're getting it?
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So initially, second and third, that's a feature that we are putting it in a company. Basically, a company will have it, but it will give the credit card option only when customer takes it. So in seventh and eighth, we are giving that feature to them.
Okay.
Okay.
One is we are setting up and one is we are assigning up.
Yeah.
Assigning up.
Okay.
So
Okay.
credit
This is
control
like a
feature will not be shown to everyone. If we
Mm-hmm.
assign to BR76, then only they can see that they have a credit limit and they can use it and something like
Okay. Mm-hmm.
that. Got it? And this
Yeah.
is credit limit is nothing but the kind of a net terms we use with the customers. Because while
Mm-hmm.
doing huge transactions, these people will not be paying it at the same time. So
Yeah.
they'll take some stock and they'll pay off after 30 days or 60 days based on the payment terms.
Who is
Mm-hmm.
who will be define that limit, sir? Whether it will be by the FICO team or any business team, like they
No, no,
will.
Yeah.
business team only will decide because they
Yeah,
will know the information, how reliable the vendor
yeah,
is, how trustworthy the vendor is based on that. If DMart is coming up, that's a reliable vendor. They can give us a limit, right? If some Kirana shop is going, they say, boss, pay the cash and take the stock, right? So
yes,
business team will decide that reliability. FICO team will only give the feature to them if the business team asks them to give the feature.
yeah. Okay.
coming to the business team,
Mm.
sales people, they will give that limit. Sales, SD people, SD business users, they will
Mm-hmm.
give that limit to the customers.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So everyone need to be synced over here, even the sales team also. They
Everybody,
should have
SAP,
a same understanding. Everyone should be on the same page.
everybody is using same software. Everybody will be
Mm.
sitting and working together only.
Mm. Okay.
Otherwise, we cannot run SAP.
True.
Okay. It's
True.
a ERP, right? If you want to use ERP, all the departments should be in line. Okay.
Mm. Uh, sir, is there any chance like it happens like I will just give you an example. We already set up a company code like BR76, okay, and now later on, then these people, the person who runs the business, they told us no, we don't want BR76, we need something else. We need IN76. Is it possible to change that company code on SAP
Delete and
again?
create it
No,
again.
okay.
Okay,
But
okay.
they will be, sorry to interrupt you. But when creating code only, they when customer only give no that details. It's for first.
That's okay,
Uh,
boss. If you want to delete and if you want to create, we decide everything and we create. Just like blindly, we won't create.
okay.
Even though if there is any chance like they wanted to change the company code,
Mm.
delete whatever you have created. Before deletion, you have to remove the assignments. So again,
Oh.
you have to remove this, you have to remove this, you have to remove this assignments. These are the
Mm-hmm.
dependencies, right? Now you go and delete it. Wherever
Mm-hmm.
you created, there is one minus button. Select that, it will get deleted. Once it is deleted, you can
Mm-hmm.
create whatever the new thing you want. Otherwise,
Mm.
whatever BR76 that you have created, keep it aside. Don't delete. Create the
Mhm.
new one, whatever you would like to have.
Okay,
Okay. So
got it, sir.
options are with you. You can
Mm-hmm.
decide if whatever you are as a business, whatever you are deciding, that you can be created over there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And sir, on selecting that on SAP, which you just showed, doing control Y and something. Okay, so I can select only one page, or I can drag down and select everything.
You
Is
can
that
drag down
possible?
and select everything, uh, but with the help of Control Y.
Okay, okay,
Okay, just see it in the system how you would like to see. Whatever
okay.
your thoughts are there, just apply that thoughts in the system and let me know if it is not working. We'll guide you.
Sure, sure.
Sir,
Okay. Yeah.
sir. Yesterday, as you said, in the creation code, it will be allow us to take four things like four digits or
Four characters.
four characters. But in
Yes.
define segment, we have entered four and underscored and biscuit.
So for defined segment, SAP has given 10 digits. For company, SAP has given 6 digits. For company code, or for all these things, SAP has given 4 digits maximum.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Up to that limit, you can create it in system. Got
So
it?
So
Got it.
only define business area, we will have 10 characters, right?
Only for business area, 4 digits only we have given. SAP has given. Only for segments, we have 10 characters.
Okay.
Sir,
Yep.
for every company, we have to do the same, right? For
Yes.
every company, those who are
Whatever I
onboarded
have
into
done
SAP.
for Britannia Industries, you take Tata Motors, do the same thing for Tata Motors.
Okay. Sir, one more thing. We are doing dealing with the financial accounting. So
Yep.
there are various teams like HR, and sales and distributions. This and all of the areas that which we SAP will do business, will provide services for the Britannia
Yes.
Industries.
Yes.
So
Yes.
everybody needs to be the use the same codes, right? That's it. Whatever
Everybody
the
will see again. Sales people will not create company code.
yeah, but
Sales people will create sales things, but the
yes, sir.
process will be same.
Yeah, okay. For credit limit, sales will also
Uh,
use the credit limit, right?
Sales people also will use same BR76 only.
So generally they will report it to into SAP or what they will do like in this credit control. What we will do in credit control.
They will use this BR76 and they will do other configurations under this credit control area.
Okay. For them,
They
there
will
will be
use
other things they need to do.
for
Oh,
see we are creating credit control area, we are giving to the sales people. They
okay.
will do few more configurations under this BR76 credit control area and they will use for credit management.
Okay. They will do configurations, right? It will not will be affect in our configurations, like in our daily things, right?
So there won't be any effect like there will be the business relation, that's
दूर
it.
रहे बड़ा
Okay.
Okay.
कले छोड़ो
Okay.
सीधा कर first. So I have a question. If I just forgot the login credentials of this one. I
Sarad,
mean, I have the
for
credential, but
login,
the password I forgot.
you for password and all, wait, give me 1 second.
Okay.
uh I'm giving one number here, just to give them WhatsApp, like saying that please reset my password. Okay. Or
Okay.
yesterday you got one mail, right, for your server.
Yes. Yes.
So in that same mail, kindly reply, kindly send a new mail. So to please reset my password, I have forgot this password.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. They will help
Awesome.
you. Or I'm sharing the contact number. Use WhatsApp for this number, and
Sure. Sir.
whatever the doubts whatever the server issues, you can just message them. They will reply it to you. Okay.
Okay. Usually in companies, who does this job, sir? I mean, who
Team will do that job.
basis team will do this job?
Basis team will do that job. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
basis means they are technical people where they will take care of this user ID, password, backup, antivirus. Everything will be taken care by the basis team. They will
Got it.
take care of this reset. Okay.
Got it. Sir. Thank you.
Sir,
Yes.
so as you said, after creating this code, for example, if you want to see any if you want to see the uh, mm, how much sales that which happened in particular brands, we'll look into it in the business area.
Yes. With the
Yeah.
business area, we can get it.
Yeah, okay. Who see what we actually do in the in after setting up this business area or any credit limit, sir? We'll update it or
We'll
business.
update it. We'll update it while doing the transaction. I'll show you during the transaction.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
when you are doing a financial transaction, if you are selecting business area,
Hmm.
automatically you will get that report.
Okay. Whether it will be cash sales or credit sales, it will also be reflected in the credit
Anything,
control area.
anything. No worries.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So
Okay.
we'll see that during the transactions. Don't worry. Just complete these configurations at least for 5 company codes, everybody. 5 company codes means take Tata Motors one, Tata Power, or take Britannia Industries, take like something like IKEA, or you can take Apple. So any abroad companies also you can use it.
Sir, Sridhar here. Created codes we are defining for Britannia company. The same codes can be used for another company. Is it accepting in the, I mean, in SAP server? So for example, BR76, we have given a company code to define a company code for Britannia, right? And the same code we are using for Tata. Is this
Yeah, it's
accepted?
possible. It's possible. We can give that, but we need to understand the dependencies. Dependencies means, suppose I have created credit control area BR76. Same BR76, you can give it to your Tata Motors also. But whatever I'm doing for BR76, that will applicable for Tata Motors also. Okay. So that there will be some dependencies where we can even do, we can consider that. Suppose in group companies, you can use the same. Suppose Wadia Group, you have Britannia Industries and Bombay Dyeing. In that case, you can use. Again, that depends upon the business decision and business requirements. But as per
So
SAP,
these are
yes, you can
not a
use.
unique codes. I think
Yeah,
we use for, I mean, we can use for others also.
we can use for others also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, everyone. Thank you
Thank
so much. Let's connect tomorrow and we will see the financial accounting global settings. Thank you all.
you. Okay. Sir.